with the economic condition that we are in, it is within my best economic interest to cut my hair. Hello, hello, mic testing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. मेरा ब्लश टूट गया अपने आप. Hi guys, this is Varjasvi Gupta and you're watching Beyond the Visible. So yes, I did get my hair really short. With the economic condition that we are in, it is within my best economic interest to cut my hair, ताकि प्रोडक्ट्स कम यूज़ हो और मुझे बार बार खरीदना ना पड़े. So, in today's video, I'll be trying a makeup look. I want to try something that looks really good for brown eyes. I feel like for special occasions or for like presentations, I don't have a solid makeup look which will enhance my eyes and make my face glow a little more. So I have found one makeup look. I know. थोड़ा-सा देखने में टफ तो लग रहा है, बट मेन ये है दैट द आईज some color on the waterline and the lashes, which I don't have, but we'll really try to make this as close to the picture as possible. Step 1, primer, and this is also almost empty. So the primer is on, and I think it gives like a slight shine, and it obviously blurs out a lot of the even texture. Next step, the color corrector for my under eyes. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I think we should do the eye makeup first because it is a little more detailed and it is something new. Plus, I think with the base on, it'll be a little difficult to get to the eye makeup. So let's do the eyes first. So now that I'm looking at the picture, I think she does have a kajal on her waterline and on the inside a bit, and she also has like brown eyeshadow here. So let's do the kajal first and then we can do the rest of the steps. So I'm back after putting kajal. Now let's do the eyeshadow. I feel like the brown I have is not as dark as compared to the look that we're doing. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this shade. I think this is very dark purple. I feel like I sort of do have my eyes on the correct path, but the picture also shows like a lot of glitter on the eye, maybe like golden. And let's create more of a darker tone on this side, so maybe like a little bit purple. जितना मुझे मेकअप समझ आता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बढ़िया हुई है. Although I do still feel that the color she had felt a little more lighter. I don't know why I did brown, but it's feeling more of like a pinkish tone. I don't know. Like, do you guys feel that way too? Let me try one more thing and then we're done with my eyes. So I put a little bit of kajal and a little bit of eyeliner and I tried to create this. I think it's still looking very close to what I imagined. It's time for mascara. You see the difference that only one coat has made in both of my eyes. Like, that's insane. I mean, of course, it's not exactly how the picture is, but I think it's pretty close to what they were, um, what I had in my vision, and I think it's looking pretty good. It is enhancing my eyes so much. Let's do the rest of the makeup now. Next step, concealer. This is from Dior. And we are done with the concealer. Honestly, if you put the concealer first, then doing your eyes is an issue. But if you do your eyes first, then this sort of gets mixed with the concealer and it turns black. I don't know what to do. Please give me good tips. I really want my makeup to look good. Next step, blush. I do have a trick sort of where you mix these two blushes and you put highlighter and it gives the most beautiful glow. It feels like you're so sun-kissed. I'll just show you. Okay, so the blush is done and I think it looks extremely sun-kissed. But I think the makeup look does require contouring because I do need to enhance some of the things. So let's try it. Honestly, now it feels like कि मैं बहुत किसी एक गोवा के वेकेशन से आई हूँ कि मेरा चेहरा इतना टैन हो गया है. But I think the makeup look requires it to be like this. Time for setting my face. Without beauty. Guys, मेरा ब्लश टूट गया अपने आप. So we have come to the final stages of this thing. So I'm gonna set my face with On Till Dawn One Size makeup. Time for the lipstick. So in the picture, she has like a very nice brown, glossy sort of a lip. Let's try that. I'm gonna be putting Mac's iconic photo. I think it's a very nice brown shade. It's not exactly the brown shade that goes with this look. I do also have another brown. Let me mix it with this. So this is my final makeup look, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. It looks really classy and it looks really elegant, even though I feel like it's too like a little extra for like presentations and like regular events, but it's very good for like party makeup look, a side by side comparison as well. Can you see? I think I, of course, don't look exactly the same, but I feel like I did nail the eyes, sort of. So it works. So that is it for today's video, and we learned how to do a full party glam look. If you guys want more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to try new makeup looks with you guys, and you can give me all the suggestions that you want. I've been really trying to up my makeup game, and I think we are making good progress. Also, if you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video with something different, with something unique, and something that makes us look beyond the visible. Bye, guys.